Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCS support. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to upload your flow data using WDT in a MobileTools application whenever you are out of cell phone coverage or you do not have internet available to you. Obviously some of these flare stations that you guys are actually working on, is a little bit kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and really the service is, spotty at best. I realize that some of these. You do have the ability to upload that data. You just have to walk you through the steps here really quickly of how you can actually get that data into eTools even if you do not have cell phone coverage. So what I want to do is jump on over here to the Android app. This is exactly the same as what's on the Apple devices as well. So it's the same workflow and all of that. Now what I did prior to this is I went ahead and logged into the application when I did have service. And then in this scenario we have the device in airplane mode. So we currently do not have service to the internet through cell phone or through Wi-Fi or anything like that. Once onto this screen, so we logged into it prior to going out to the site. We're sitting at the site, have everything all hooked up and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and select WDT here, as we typically would. And then this is going to work exactly like it does whenever you do have service. We're going to go ahead and click on Get Data. So we'll open us up into the section where all of the flow data is stored at. So this is all the stuff I have pre-populated here. Go ahead and select that. It'll prompt you for a user comment. Recommended that you put the site name there, just so you have it for reference. If there's anything else that you kind of want to note there, you are limited in how much. You can't really get like a too long of a sentence there, but just something where you can kind of reference to kind of know what that data was. So just if you ever need to look back, just for your own sake, for the on the phone there, the device. So we'll just go ahead and put demo offline upload, so that I have that for reference, and then go ahead and select confirm. Once we select confirm, it'll actually have us select our date range that we typically would see even if we was within coverage area. And we're going to go ahead and select all as recommended. If there's some data that you already have in there, it will not duplicate. Just keep in mind that'll just copy everything that's on the card basically to ensure that we have everything. So we'll go ahead and select all, and that'll go ahead and pull that data up, and you'll see it copy into the device. At this point here, this data has not been uploaded into eTools because obviously we have no cell phone coverage. For this scenario, what we're actually going to do, once we go out, we do our work, we put everything back in the flare as we typically would. Once we do get back and either have internet access or we're back within cell phone range, and I'm going to go ahead to simulate that and turn airplane mode off here so we can restore internet access. You need to upload that data. So once we're back in access area, so we're back to back in cell phone coverage here, we can go ahead and upload this data now. So if you're ever out of the app, you can go back into it by selecting WDT again, and you'll see a list of your files that you have stored here on your device. This is what's on your device, not necessarily what was uploaded into eTools. So in order to get that into eTools, and note how this looks here, there's no bar or anything back underneath of it. We're going to go ahead and select this, and it'll automatically detect the site that you're the closest to, which obviously if you was out of cell phone range, that might not be accurate. You have the option to actually change the site here. So if we select this, we'll see a list of the sites we have access to in the system. I'll go ahead and select demo, and then tell it to upload that file. Once it uploads the file, it'll tell you it's been uploaded successfully. Click OK, and you'll notice that that bar actually changed to green there to let you know that that's been uploaded into eTools. And that will transfer everything into that WDT folder and the document gallery and all that. Just to note, there is a little bit of a delay from the time that you upload to the time that it shows up in the document gallery. Typically is right around the 10-minute mark. It syncs up every so often. That's an automated process in the background for the database. And then also it usually takes a couple days before that gets processed to actually show on the different the flow charts and all of that type of stuff that you're used to looking at in the reports. So just keep that in mind. But at this point, this data has been uploaded into eTools and everything is good to go. The biggest thing, as you can tell, where that changed over to green, that lets you know that all of that data has been sent and it has been received there. With that, that's all that I really wanted to cover. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if there's anything you would like us to do a video over, please contact us and let us know. I'd be more than happy to help you out with that, or if there's something that you want to discuss. Contact us at the SCS support. The email address is support@scsetools.com, and our phone number is 866-612-6820. Thanks, guys. You guys have a great day.